Okay, so I'm just gonna take a second of your time. They're about to enter. I don't know. Are they in? Yes. So, all right. Could you? She's been inspiring all of us with her statements. She's somebody who's vivacious when you spend time with her, yet humble and kind, soft-spoken at times, and knows how to speak her mind when she needs to. I'd really like to take a few seconds to introduce Neha. Um, I don't know if you've seen her over the last few years. There's a lot of y'all who have. For those of you who haven't, she'll speak for herself. And she's still coming up. Welcome, Neha. Welcome, Karan. Hi, please come.
Good afternoon, everyone. We, of course, are all gathered here for Karan's latest and greatest success story. No, I'm not talking about a movie which is filled with rich people problems, but just like that, this launch of his will also probably it'll definitely make crores and crores of rupees in the first week. So before I start talking anything else, I must welcome the fabulous Karan Johar, considering he's already standing here at the door. Welcome, Karan.
Oh, you want to stand and do this?
I'm happy. Would you like to sit?
Yeah, I mean, isn't that the right thing to do?
So Karan, we're all obviously gathered here, and for everybody's knowledge, gathered here to launch your first and hopefully only jewelry brand.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to ask you this question on behalf of every working person out there. Actor, director, writer, producer, host, judge. I'm almost breathless right now. How do you do it? Are you going to leave any work for us?
First, my first answer is, do we really need this mic in this room? I think we might need it for the cameras. Okay, because I'm finding it really funny to speak on this mic in this room. No, it's all great. It's all perks of the job. My core and primary profession is really filmmaking, and that's my big passion. Everything is a derivative of that, and it's an extension of my personality and the job that I do, and I love it. So yeah, and multitasking is my thing, and being the jack of all trades and perhaps the master of none, my thing as well.
Well, no, Karan, we beg to differ. Master of all is what we like to call you. So, here you are doing something, and of late we've seen your fashion choices. They've been absolutely fabulous. Everybody follows you. Apart from your movies, they also, you're the only director who's followed for his fashion choices. And now jewelry. What about Karan Johar has been brought into Theani as a brand?
Initially, actually, when Shravan came and met me, the whole idea was, of course, to collaborate on something that was, larger than life as a collection, more like wedding and trousseau and, big event jewelry, the ones that, like are ornate and special and specific and really beautiful. I mean, everybody knows that from the Satyani group, the jewelry is exceptional. Theani, which is the extension of the brand and a glorious extension, if I might add, is actually something that we discussed and decided to make it much more fashion forward and fashion fast. Something that, everybody can wear. So to take Polki jewelry and give it a totally different avatar, to try and make it more like when you go to work and you just go for a casual lunch, dinner, just get out of your house and you spring on this jewelry. I wanted to make a brand that was more accepted, more accessible, affable to you as a personality and not daunting and overwhelming, because jewelry sometimes is always over the top and associated with big events and big milestone celebrations. But I don't think that should be the case. Polki is something that is traveled, for Miras. It's from the Mughal era onwards. We've seen the advent of this amazing jewelry and what it's eventually become even internationally on red carpets and, even casual day-to-day events has taken a totally different form. So Shravan and I kind of worked out a way that we would produce this jewelry, go online with it, and make it completely fashion fast, fashion forward, and completely accessible to all ages, all stages, all rages.
Associations with jewelry, and then if you go back, you know, far into history, the minute you think about jewelry, you always think of this large, grand event, like you did mention right now. And in your life, of course, everything is a grand event, even if it's making chai, but a lot of you don't know, but it takes 6 people to make Karan Johar's chai. He, of course, doesn't know how to make his own, but Karan, no, we're talking about jewelry and not his cup of tea. Everything is his cup of tea.
It's always a cup of coffee, it's never tea.
Yes, always a cup of coffee, I must note to self. But, you know, Karan, we've spoken about Polki, we've spoken about the fact that you met, you know, everyone from the brand of Satyani, and then they came to you and they kind of, you know, said that we want to launch a jewelry brand with you. What did you change? Who is the Tyani woman? What does she wear to work on a daily basis? Describe that woman who's going to wear this brand to us.
So the woman actually is pretty much, I think, the woman of today. You know, I think confident, assured, you know, has her eye on her ambition and her achievement, and is not like all about like just showing her, you know, it's not all about just projecting beauty and fashion and being in your face. I think the woman of today is confident, she's solid, she has an achievement behind her, she has a path ahead that she needs to go there, and I wish men had the same goals that women do, really. But I think she's solid and she's confident, and so is the jewelry. It really goes with, I believe that of men and women, you know, sometimes we tend to kind of go away from the zone of fashion because we're apologetic about it, because we always feel like fashion is just for certain people because it seems alien. But I don't think you should accept it and open it with them, because jewelry is something that is part of our culture, is part of our heritage. When you make it accessible and make it today and make it wearable, I think that's the whole intent at Tyani, is to make sure that when you leave the house and you have a solid goal in life, it's not that you should be apologetic about looking pretty and putting on a pair of beautiful earrings or having something around your hand. That could actually just kind of enlighten you or might kind of heighten your confidence level in the morning when you set out. So I think the woman of today is all those qualities that I mentioned and much more. And the jewelry is actually coinciding and collaborating with that imagery.
You know, it's so congratulations on that. So what's next?
So from here onwards, we plan to take this brand all across India, across the continents. We plan to go online, set up B2B ventures, shop in shop. I mean, try to reach out to every Indian or women across the world. I mean,
and men.
And men in phase 2. Yes, absolutely, as we discussed.
Yes. Well, congratulations. Any questions? Should I announce that or no? All right. All right. So, yeah. Sorry, you have a question? I think.
Right. She looks stunning. She looks stunning, the whole look. I mean, that's one thing about Sanjay Leela Bhansali. His aesthetics are always beautiful, always stunning, and they're always the best. I mean, I think his sense of visualization and beauty and basic aesthetic is the best we have in our industry. And there's no doubt that Padmavati looks exceptionally beautiful. All the 3 looks, in fact. In fact, today with Ranveer Singh's look also, everything was exotic. But I have to say that everything looked beautiful. Like, Deepika is always and eternally beautiful, but I think Sanjay Bhansali makes her look even more beautiful. नहीं, वो एक्चुअली मैंने जिक्र किया था अयान मुखर्जी की फिल्म के बारे में, उनका वो जो इसका टाइटल ड्रैगन नहीं है, तो मैं वो स्पेसिफाई करना चाहता था. सब कह रहे कि ड्रैगन है, वो वर्किंग टाइटल था, पर हम अपना टाइटल लॉन्च करने वाले हैं बहुत सून. तो मेरी कोई प्लान अभी तक बनी नहीं है, वो बन रही है, वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस चल रहा है. तो वेरी सून, होपफुली इन अ कपल ऑफ मंथ्स आई विल अनाउंस द फिल्म दैट आई विल डायरेक्ट. बट मैं वो रणबीर और अयान जो एक पिक्चर कर रहे हैं एक साथ, मैं उस पिक्चर का जिक्र कर रहा था. बट लेट्स आई मीन टॉक अबाउट ज्वेलरी एंड नॉट एवरी अदर थिंग वी डू. वो क्योंकि